Farns wangu mutema asandidina I see damage control, but other chocolate guys, out of that situation, the negative situation that I created, I found some positives and I want to take action. I realized that a lot of the youth are very angry and they don't have an outlet for their anger, and they use this social media as an outlet for their anger and to express themselves, which is good. I admire that. But guys, I come up with this idea. After my next fight, I'm going to take a certain percentage of my purse, not yes, but certain percentage, and no kwani sao. Do think I'm punching big, then we open a gym in one of whatever townships. Start in Harare because Harare. And then we empower the youth to do the sport of MMA, boxing, whatever. I will be in touch with Zimbabwe boxing, MMA board, whatever, and let's see if we can come up with something to empower the youth for free, and then we can also start discovering new talents. Maybe one day, then but at least, guys, from the negative situation, I found a positive. But yeah, honestly, jokes aside, guys, this is something that I found out that, people are very angry, and sometimes, it's lack of outlet for anger. And some of us, we started MMA because it was an outlet for anger. And look at us now. We are pushing and we're going to inspire a lot of people. But still, inspiring a lot of people is the most important thing. And how we can do it is uplifting others too. Guys, but I'm jokes. But yeah, from that situation we found a positive situation that we can create. Bless you guys, love you. Oh.